Hello, and welcome to B2B Topics and Tips, bringing you the latest buzz about small business topics, tips, and expert interviews. Watch live or watch later. If you are watching live, drop any questions or thoughts into the comments, or if you're watching later, feel free to use hashtag replay to drop your questions or thoughts into the comments. I will be circling back to check on that. Today, we'll be talking about 5 things you wish you weren't doing. Hi, I'm Melissa St. Clair, Communications and Standard Operating Procedures Specialist at Paper Chaser Biz, LLC, a certified military spouse-owned enterprise. So again, today's topic is 5 things you wish you weren't doing. What's on your laundry list? That's one of the questions I ask prospective clients. What's on your administrative office laundry list? A laundry list is a long list of items. Having a long list can cause overwhelm, frustration, paralysis for any small business owner. Laundry is a chore, but work does not have to be. Here are 5 things small business owners would rather not do, according to some surveys that are out there. Number 1, repetitive tasks. Number 2, formatting newsletters. Number 3, follow-up. Number 4, spending time on social media. Number 5, self-promotion. Embrace technology and use software to set up systems, collect data, and enhance communications with your clients. Streamline processes to improve workflow. You can always delegate. The benefit: operating in your zone of genius is exhilarating, and where you should spend your time directly serving your clients or focusing on your purpose and passion projects. Grab your free copy of a tool I developed to help you optimize your time, keeping your small business humming, a decision-making guide. Opt in on the home page of my website, paperchaserbiz.com, or buzz over to the URL paperchaserbiz.com/humming, and I will drop that link in the comments. Thanks for watching.